Welcome back users. Today we will do the installation of MX Linux version 21 AHS. So MX Linux is a cooperative venture between NTX and MX Linux community. It is a family of operating systems that are designed to combine elegant and efficient desktops with high stability and solid performance. MX graphical tools provide an easy way to do variety of tasks, while the live USB and snapshot tools inherited from NTX add to impressive portability and remastering capabilities. Extensive support is available through videos, documentation, and a very friendly forum. Now, MX Linux is itself based on Debian stable packages, so we get the goodness and the stability of the Linux, Debian Linux. Okay, three desktops are available. First is the XFC, the second one is KDE, and the third one is the Fluxbox. So let us do the installation. So this is the ISO file I had downloaded earlier. Now let us open it with boxes. There is no template available for MX Linux, so let us use the Debian template. So you can take Debian 11 Bullseye, on which the MX Linux 21 is based. Now click yes, click create. Give 4 gigs of RAM and 25 gigabytes of storage. We will not use the EFI because there is issue, because enabling the EFI will enable the secure boot, virtual secure boot, and that will do trouble with the installation. We go with the BIOS MBR boot. So we select install. That should yes. So the ISO is loading up into a live desktop. So this is the desktop, only the wallpaper has come up. Now the bottom, sorry, the sidebar will come up here. Yes, sidebar, or you can say side dash, will come up. Okay, and this is the MX Linux welcome screen, or the welcome app. Okay, so it is using the MX version MX21. Desktop is XFC is 4.16, supported until June 2024, and the Debian version is 11.1. That is the Debian Bullseye 11.1. Okay, and the user demo password is demo, and the super user root password is root. Okay, now we close this. We will check it out in the detailed review of the desktop. And let me tell you one thing, MX Linux is right now the number one distro. Most of the users are searching for this distro. They want to install this distro. It is the most popular distro. Most maximum searches are being done on the different search engines for the MX Linux. So this is the current very much in distro. It is the most popular distro right now. It is ruling number one for months now. Now let us start the installation. In the next video we will do a detailed review of this MX Linux XFE desktop 21 AHS. So this AHS version is nothing but the advanced hardware system. So it uses the latest stable kernel available. So it is suitable for the latest devices. If you try this on the older laptops or PCs, it will not work. So you have to install the general version of the MX Linux 21. Don't go for the AHS. So for every desktop there are two versions. One is the AHS and the other is the general version. So let us start the installer now. Okay. So now the beauty of the MX Linux is that it has got the fastest installer in the Linux world. So it's just jiffy. If you try to install it on the bare metal, your installation will complete in 10 minutes. Okay, regular install using the entire disk, or you want to customize your, let us select the customized disk layout, so it will mimic the actual installation done by user on the bare metal. So select the VDD, fresh VDD. Okay, okay, it has automatically done a 1 MB of partition. Okay, it is again going. Let me. Okay. Yes. Now what we do is we go for the 350 MB. Use for, now you have to go as a ESP partition. Yes, FAT32. Check. Then we go for the second one. This will be the swap. So we are used to 4000 MB of the swap space. Okay, encryption required, no. Options are defaults. Then we add another partition. Okay, what we do is we remove this, keep it on the last, so that the new partition will come below this. Okay, so VDA3, so whatever the pending is 20, say we take around, we use the GB word max, yes, and then do select from here the root partition, yes, extended 4. We can use BT, ButterFS is there, RazorFS is there, XFS, JFS, file to file system, extended 2, extended 3 and extended 4. So let us stick to extended 4. It is the most widely used file system. Do you want to check it? Yes, you can select the check button. Options. Okay, these are the dump, yes, one pass. Now we are done with the partitioning. So ESP, swap and the root partition, that's it. We go to the next, show the details. Now it will show the summary. Okay, summary is good for us. Now the installation has started. While the installation is going on, we can do the other configuration. Say computer name MX, computer domain is say mx.dom, Samba server for networking, MS networking. Okay, we can keep the default setting as it is. We go ahead. Now let us check out India is there, no, so we keep it like this. Yes, we can change the time zone, and where is Kolkata? Okay, done. System uses local time. Right now the system is using the UTC time, so if we click this, system will start using the local time using the NTP, the low network time protocol servers, and then sync the time. So we keep it as is. We don't select this. Let the system time be UTC, and when the system boots up, it will directly using the NTP server. It will just sync the local time with the system time. Okay. Service settings. Yes. So these are the services that will run in the first install. So they are checked to start at every boot. This is okay for us. We go next. So the default login name is Sam. Default password is very simple one, not 1234, but it is simple. If you want, you can have a separate root admin, or else the default user will become a part of the admin group. So we'll keep the root administrator account as it is. We will not take the auto login selection. We will keep it unchecked, and we will also keep unchecked live desktop. So what happens is, if you are checking out the live desktop and if you do some settings, and if you click here, those settings will be applied to the install system also. So we will not do anything of those because we have not done any changes to the live desktop settings. So we click next now. So usually while we were doing all the configuration of the system, 20% of file copying has already been done. So now we click the next button. So now it will just show the tips because we have already done all the configuration settings required to be done by the new user. We have to just lay back and just check the installation in progress. If this was a bare metal system, then the installation could have been completed by now. It is that fast. It's just 5 or 7 minutes. I once did an installation within 7 minutes. So it is that fast. Now look how fast it has started to progress. So look, after copying files immediately, the system configuration is almost completed. Installation of grub will also complete in next few seconds. Now updating the init RAM FS image. So here they have written it. MX Linux is installing. It will take 3 to 20 minutes probably, depending on speed of your system and the size of your partitions. I had done this earlier in 7 minutes on a bare metal. That is my laptop. My laptop has around 1 TB of hard disk. So the installer has finished. Once I click on the finish, it will do a completely auto reboot. So we stop our video here. In the next video, we'll do a review of the MX Linux desktop, that is MX Linux 21 AHS, having the XFCE desktop 4.16. Bye bye. See you. Do subscribe to our channel, like, comment. Do not forget to click on the bell button so you will not miss any of our great videos. Thank you very much. Bye again.